SimulationXpress is a design validation tool that includes a small subset of the features available in the full version of SolidWorks simulation. Like any other tool, you not only have to learn how to use it, but also when to use it. Before we get started testing a part in SolidWorks, I want to give you a little information about the types of testing you can perform using SimulationXpress. SimulationXpress is included for free with every seat of SolidWorks, but you should know that there are certain limitations to Xpress. Limitations you won't run into with the full licenses of SolidWorks Simulation, Simulation Professional, and Simulation Premium. A SimulationXpress can be used to perform what is called a linear static study on a part. Most structural loads can be represented as static loads, including forces and pressures. Time-dependent loads, such as vibration from shaker tables and engines or drop testing, would require dynamic analysis available in the more advanced SolidWorks simulation products. Now, keeping the assumptions I just discussed in mind, let's move on to our first exercise, static loading of a single part.